Old Alabama Gardener here. Today we're talking about making a double oil infusion of any herb, but today I'm using comfrey. Comfrey leaf has a lot of moisture or water in it. So you see here that I have dried it to the point where we can crumble it up into small particles. And there's another video that shows you how to do the dehydrating. Now once we've got our dried or dehydrated comfrey leaf ready, we can start the process of making our oil infusion by putting 2.5 cups of olive oil in our crock pot. Now into the crock pot, we're going to put 1 cup of dried or dehydrated crushed comfrey leaf. It's important that you not heat the oil at too high of temperature. We don't want to cook it. All we want to do is make the properties that are in the comfrey leaf dissolve and get into the oil. Give it a good stir to get everything all mixed up. Make sure that your crock pot is set on low. Now this is going to be for 6 hours. So the best thing for me to do is write down the time when I start. Now once the 6 hours are completed, you can let it cool a little bit, and then you need to strain it through some cheesecloth or whatever kind of a filter that you really want to use on it. Okay, so that's half of our double oil infusion. So now we're pretty much going to do the same thing again. We'll show you the steps of that. Now, put the oil that we just finished straining right back into your crock pot, and we're going to add 1 cup of new crushed comfrey leaf and heat it again for 6 hours. Let it cool off a little bit so that you can grasp the cheesecloth and squeeze as much of the oil out as you can. So now we've got our comfrey infused oil, and we're ready to move on to making the salve.